One step closer to justice for an Iowa family tonight as their loved one's death is ruled a homicide. Thanks for joining us. I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Rob McCartney. Eileen Gowan was last seen in February. In May, her ex-boyfriend, Ivan Brammer, was arrested in connection with her death on charges of theft and abuse of a corpse. Well, her family says they always thought their mother was murdered. As
KETV News Watch 7's Sarah Feely reports, the updated charges against Brammer come after a private forensic autopsy.
Council Bluffs police say they had their eye on Brammer from the beginning. A criminal complaint details his movements when Eileen Gowan went missing, including video of her in his truck and information he had his truck crushed and shredded after her disappearance. But that evidence was not enough to charge him, and here's why.
We can only do what the law will allow us to do.
And until yesterday, that meant Council Bluffs police could only charge 61-year-old Ivan Sam Brammer with abuse of a corpse and theft in the death of 60-year-old Eileen Gowan.
The Iowa State Medical Examiner did the first autopsy, and they were inconclusive in their findings on what the cause of death was.
Gowan went missing in February, last seen leaving her work. She was found weeks later in a ditch near 152nd and Old Mormon Bridge Road. Police outline in an affidavit how she's seen alive in Brammer's truck. They detail how she's next seen about an hour later, slumped over in the passenger seat. It says, quote, "It appears Gowan is not moving and she was likely dead."
The suspect interviewed with us several different times and gave us multiple different stories. And so the investigators who worked on the case did a nice job of pulling all that together.
Police arrested him on those initial charges, and despite the autopsy showing multiple injuries indicating a fight, like bruises on her head and torso.
When we get an inconclusive result like that, we're not able to charge homicide.
Monday, the department received a second opinion on the autopsy from a world-renowned forensic pathologist based in New York, Dr. Michael Baden.
The finding was that she died from asphyxiation.
Gowan's family sought him out. Now, the Pottawatomie County attorney will upgrade Brammer's charges.
With the second opinion autopsy, we felt comfortable in being able to charge the offender with murder second.
Police hoping it offers a sense of justice.
Brammer is expected in court tomorrow. He was already in jail on those initial charges. Now he's being held on a $500,000 bond. Back to you.
Okay.